Now for the last step of threading your sewing machine. Again, you will place the spool of thread on one of the two spindles at the top of your sewing machine. So you can see there's a vertical spindle and there's also a horizontal spindle. They both work exactly the same, so it's a personal preference. Do whatever you like. But next, again, you will follow the arrows, follow the directions that are on the sewing machine. The very first step, number 1, it's easiest to hold the thread in your two hands. You will place it underneath that back hook, or the thingy, we'll call it. That's step number 1. Step number 2, you will pull the string down to the right of this metal take-up lever. So you pull the thread down to the right of it, and you'll see an arrow at the bottom directing you to come back up and around, up towards the top. As you do so, be looking for a little metal piece inside of that metal area. It's called the take-up lever, but as you can see right now, it is hidden. So if you turn the hand wheel towards you, you will see it pop up. There it is. So I like to call it the bunny head because if you look at it, there's a little circle, looks like the bunny eye, and then the ear. It's kind of like the side view of a bunny. So as you're bringing the thread back upwards, make sure that the thread goes to the right of the bunny head. As you do so, then you'll come back kind of around and down, which will make that thread catch inside of the take-up lever. So that is step number 3. After you've threaded the thread through the bunny head, you will then bring it straight down. Just be very careful that the string does not accidentally cross in front of the metal take-up lever, otherwise that will just cause you a lot of problems later on. So you bring it directly down. Again, you will follow the arrows and you will see a metal bar that goes across. You will pull the thread around to the right of the bar until it's right behind it. Then there's a second very small metal piece. You will come to the left of that and pull it slightly until the thread is right in front of the needle. Then your very last step, you will thread the thread through the eye of the needle. If it's helpful, you can place your finger behind the needle, not right up against it, but just behind it so that you can see exactly where the eye of the needle is. And then after you've done so, you will pull the thread to the right and you will slide it in the little slit in the presser foot and make sure that the thread is to the back.